Okay, then I try to share and explain some of this trick I've found during the texturing process of this car. Forgive me in advance for my bad English. I hope this is still better than your Italian. Maybe I hope so. What happened here? The whole idea around UDIM workflow is to have multiple UV tiles. But you know, this isn't officially supported in SketchUp, at least the full UDIM workflow, which is intended to treat this as a single material, even if are different texture set. What you can do is to paint across the different tiles, both in 2D and 3D space. You have to separate the UV island. You cannot have geometry across the UV tile. If you have geometry going across the tiles, Substance will refuse to load it. When you want to create a project supporting UV tiles, you have to, in the creation stuff, which is similar to this reloading window, you may choose, you can choose the workflow for UDIM. I don't know what's the default right now, because I got the Steam license, so maybe in the newest version this could be on by default, but you have to choose the UDIM workflow with the option to preserve the UV tile layout, because there is another UDIM option in which you choose to generate different UV texture set from each chart. And this is not what I wanted here. I actually went across this because originally I tried to squeeze every all the UV island for the main body into a single UV chart, but this is already 4K, and it wasn't enough, mainly for because of the small text stuff, you know. What I did is to find a workaround to split this. Actually, the full workflow is intended in a way in which when you export the textures, if you use a template prepared for UDIM, no, this one, let's say V-Ray next, this one, okay. You can have the syntax for UDIM suffix. So what happens? The render engine, this is supported in Blender, as far as I know, in Maya, and a lot of engines, but not in SketchUp, of course. So what happens? It appends the UDIM number, which is this number here. You can have more than 2. You can have a lot of UDIM setup, and so that it creates a naming convention, and the render engine takes care of a single material and reload the proper texture based on the UV of the in that specific point of the mesh. The problem is SketchUp is not able to manage a single material with double unwrap or multiple unwrap. So what I did to make it work is to manage this from 2 different models. This is the model I work in between wrapper and substance, and this is the final model in which I reload the final textures and use these to output to Unity, let's say, or to create the final OBJ for 3ds Max. I have in some way to translate that UDIM process, and the way I do this the model you use to export. This is actually quad. It's still quad, but what I did is to smooth the quads and then unsoften only the edges which corresponds to the UV seams, so that I can quickly select the corresponding UV island, and then go in and apply two different materials in the what I do is to select all the surfaces I need and then change it from the inspector, and the UV are preserved. And what I do is to apply the two different materials, okay, so that I can reload the two different materials. And you can tell if I activate the shaded mode, they are slightly different, you can see. And to help me in some way, I try to mask this, because when you have UDIM workflow, Substance allow you to create mask. It's calculating right now, because you know there's all the different logo and grooves and dirt stuff going on. It's not that quick, but you can tell this is the two main families. So I use this as a reference to repaint basically those surfaces I isolated here. I reload and then manage the output model and let's say the edit model, which is this one. And as you can see, another thing is that actually there are these two components. This is the main body and this is the main body, and those are props which I have added in further stages. And the way I did this is that this is the main body work. I got some empty space, and what happened, some of this stuff was included in other texture set, minor texture set, but what happens here was the camera stuff, but this is intended to be 1K, maybe 2K, depending on usage texture set. The bodywork is 4K, so actually this little bit in 4K is more texel density for the camera. So I moved from that texture set, I moved here. And the way I did this, because this was extremely heavy, I believe this is one of the heaviest model I've managed to make work in here. What I did is to create another group in order to unwrap this and this crazy stuff. Let me turn off this psychedelic stuff. What is this? This is the props which are filling the empty space, and to align them properly in the two different sets, I created some screenshot grab texture, and I mixed the UV chart from one and the normal preview from temporary substance project, and overlaid them. This was because I wasn't able to make this work. I tried to assign two different textures with two different layouts to use it as a guide, but this doesn't work. I know I'm a bit outdated, so maybe I should try with the newest version, but whatever. I did this this way, and it turned nice. So basically that's it for the UDIM tile process. This can allow you to paint across texture set, and is useful for this kind of situation. Maybe. Hope this was helpful.